Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm strong.
Good.
Thank
you. Yeah, and good to see you. Thanks so much for coming on the podcast.
Pleasure.
And for talking. We've got a very what's the right word? I should say hard-driven topic for a lot of people. I think people just go year by year just trying to get their tax done, not actually trying to benefit from a lot of the tax that you can claim back.
Yes.
So why don't you introduce yourself to the cameras, the people behind, all of that?
Stunning. Thank you, Tane. First, in honor, this is exciting. Every so often you get these little gaps of opportunities to come online and get the word, the brand, the best brand in South Africa out to the public.
Yeah.
And so we're trusting it's going to reach hundreds of thousands of people.
Yes.
And just in short, I'm one of the business associates for Triple T. Some of you guys would have remembered the brand as the tax team back in the day. We've kept the logo, we've kept the brand, the name, and we specialize in a bit which we're going to touch on today. 4 divisions: tax, unmatched in tax. It was built around tax, helping commission earners in South Africa, and we've branched into accounting, and books, admin, business. We specialize in business, tax, wealth. We've got a team of CFPs and FAs that are just driving business and giving people financial clarity. And then insurance. I don't know if you knew that.
No. Sure.
Untouched, unmatched in the short and long term insurance. So
sure. So I think also if you're a real estate agent, they're very driven in real estate claiming back for real estate agents. I know firsthand, and that's why I wanted to have you guys on. Obviously the brand, what you guys have done, the extra effort that you go into, I think, claiming back and not doing anything behind closed doors, but doing everything honestly. And I think that's the best thing when you are claiming back. So the first question is, most South Africans see tax as an annual obligation rather than a financial strategy to obviously boost your income in that time. What is the biggest mind shift people need to make if they want to use tax planning as a tool to long-term building wealth rather than staying compliant?
Brilliant. I think 3 things, Tane. Firstly, a simple one. Stress is often caused by lack of knowledge. So people that come to me, they're an estate agent. I've just come back from Cape Town. I was there for 10 days. I'm based in Sea Point and had the honor of signing up a bunch of exciting new agents. And a lot of them have no idea about tax. They earn over a bar a year, but they're so stressed out about how to do this, and their old lady doesn't. She keeps them tax compliant in the year. No offense to the old, but it's like, Jab, I've got these slips. How do I start? And so, what the mindset shift that we try and drive with bringing financial clarity to South Africans is that you don't have to be stressed because of a lack of knowledge. We start off where you're at, and we hold your hand to a place where you now understand what you can claim. So knowledge is everything in this game. I mean, we're working with you at the moment.
Yes, exactly.
And Tane, do you have this slip? Do you have this? No, but I've got this. Right. Can you give us bank statements? And we start to work with you. It's an honor to have you, or have me on your show.
No, definitely.
After us helping you last year and proving the value and the amount to you.
Exactly. And I think just touching on that, the team behind Triple T, it's not just one person. I think you've got a whole team behind you working through your bank statements, what you can claim back, what's this, what's that, and really getting detailed breakdowns through email of, please can you just advise on X, Y, and Z? And I think it's really helpful because it makes you feel a bit more relaxed. As you say, being in real estate, it's daunting. Also, it is daunting, and you're so busy and you probably don't have time to look through everything. So I think your team really makes sure that you nail every little thing on your bank statements and everything.
We've actually created a a tax hub, a crew. We've called them the tax crew.
Yes.
So those that jump on board after this show that say, I want to be a part of this brand.
Yes.
We've got a team, like you're saying.
Yes.
It's not just one person sitting in an office
Exactly.
ticking 5 boxes to keep you compliant.
Yes.
We literally go to town for you.
Yes.
And we make sure that every bit of that expense that can be claimed back legally for Tain
yes.
comes back into your account.
Exactly. I think that's also the main thing about your business. It's doing things legally.
Right.
And I think that's the biggest thing when it comes to claiming back tax. Like, obviously being Christian and stuff, it always says give back to Caesar what is Caesar's. So I think that's also what you guys build around is give back to what the tax person needs, and then obviously claim back.
Yes.
To what else you
because we're realizing I think another mindset shift on the first question. A, stress is caused by lack of knowledge.
Yes.
And B, two-part, you don't tax submissions, it doesn't need to be a once a year thing.
Yes.
And most people just wait till July.
Yes.
And they think, okay, my structure's changed, I've left 3 jobs, but I can just get it done in July.
Yes.
And so the key is to train you guys to get close to us throughout the year, to walk a journey throughout the year with tax strategy, as opposed to waiting for the 13th of July.
Exactly.
Which, by the way, the doors have come closer.
Yes,
so it's not the 21st, it's the 13th, so don't get too stressed.
No.
And the other thing is a mindset shift. Tax compliance is not the goal.
Yes.
It's the starting point.
Yes.
So for those that are listening, your accountant might wait for the end of the year to keep you tax compliant, and you may, as an agent or a South African citizen, be leaving a lot of money on the table that due to a lack of knowledge, not knowing what can I claim back, what is legally acceptable by SARS to claim back as an agent, and what am I leaving? I'm on a 18% directive, or maybe I'm not. So I'm paying the full percentage, but getting nothing back in July, and I can't fathom it. But we'll
touch on that.
We'll touch on that. So
so just on all of that, I think you've made a statement to go into the second question is like, why should someone in SA use Triple T Financial Group?
Love it.
Yeah.
I have fun, Tain. I literally live the dream.
Yes.
You've probably seen our stuff online and social media. I have the best job. I'm a business associate for this brand.
Yes.
And I get to fly around the country.
Yes.
And get in front of people. The boss is pedantic about you need to shake their hand. Most financial people, the client will chat to them once a year. It'll be a once a year thing over a phone call or a team.
Yes.
And because of the extent and us being in each city throughout SA, we have the privilege of getting in front of the client, giving them a hug, shaking their hand, sitting down and saying, Tain, I'm not going to phone you in July, I'm going to come and see you. We have 13,000+ clients in the country. And we're able to do that because of the technology and the AI that works alongside us. I don't know if you know, we're very...
I remember you saying last year that you're integrating AI into it. Yeah.
So basically they're making these machines fly. I'm sure they're going to start flapping their wings and start flying out the office.
Yeah.
But we've got apps and technology that enables us to reach and keep clients happy and at ease throughout the year.
Yeah.
We have been running for about 13 years.
Yeah.
And we're based in each major city across SA, and really from celebrities to people that get a basic salary with no com, just a basic 10,000 Rand salary. Yeah. There's no tax complication that we can't help with.
Yeah.
So anyone in South Africa is a client for us. And the cool thing about us is we are a one-stop shop. The company was built around the commission earners. So this is something important.
Yes.
We myself am a commission earner.
Yes.
So we have a wealth of knowledge and have geared ourselves and built the company around the commission space, which every estate agent in South Africa is.
Correct.
So we've learned what's claimable.
Yeah.
We learned what SARS aren't allowing.
Yeah.
And because of the knowledge and the depth of understanding about your industry, we're able to go on to strong audits to fight for you to get as much back as we can. We have a wealth team, a financial planning team, where the goal of, I'll put it this way, maybe some accountants, some do an amazing job.
Yeah.
Some accountants may just tick a few boxes, keep your claim that the bare necessary expenses back for you. We have a wealth team that comes alongside me as the tax guy.
Yes.
To say, how can we optimize Tane's portfolio?
Exactly.
What is in that IRP5 that we can structure and help? Do you need an RA?
Yes.
Do you know how an RA helps with getting back more money? And they come alongside you. We've got certified financial planners, FAs, accountants, wealth specialists, and a business side that says, how do we help max out what you need to get back?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's a lot in there.
There's a lot
on why I think they should definitely use you. And
another topic, insurance is we unmatched in insurance. So I'm finding tax clients that say, Jabin, I drive a Porsche, and I'm paying X amount a month, and I can't fathom that. They don't realize it because of the education thing, the clarity, it's too much. So once we start helping them with the tax as a focal point, we say, right, you're driving a Porsche, you have no RA. Do you know about it? No, I didn't know that with the RA I can claim back a portion of that much. You know about that.
Yes, yeah.
And so we're helping with quotations on insurance to bring down the amount that they're paying. And they don't have to have a tax practitioner, insurance guy, I need a wealth guy.
Yes.
It's all under this umbrella. And it's just like, I just smile when I walk into the room, literally, Cape Town. Pitching to different estate agent groups in Cape Town, just been like, I walk in with a smile, I put my banner up, and they're signing this form to say, right, I want to be a part of this team.
Yes.
It sounds like it's the team to be on.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's the main team.
It's the main team. The main A team.
I think in South Africa, in a world where people have multiple incomes, side hustles is a big one.
Yes.
Investments, freelance work, and global earnings of investments overseas. What do you think is the biggest financial blind spot that could cost South Africa money over the next decade?
Good question. I think starting too late. Everyone says, I'll get there.
Yeah.
This year is about earning income.
Yes.
This is about making cash. And what we found with the agency, especially for those listening, is that every year agents, I always ask the question, Tane, I say, are you happy with the amount that you earned in this season from March last year to March this year?
Yes.
And you say, yes, I worked very hard. We're looking at trophies on the table.
Yeah.
They're not there for just for show.
Yes.
And most agents will say, yes, I earned more money this year than last year.
Yes.
And then I ask the question, are you happy with how much of that you kept?
Yes.
And they're like, no. I remember paying 35% every time 3 house sales came on, or 45%. And I'm trying to ask him, okay, did you get back a lot? No, I got 4,000 Rand back. Oh, so they missed out a whole bunch of claims he must have.
Yeah.
Who's your guy? Oh, no, I haven't seen him for 5 years. And so starting earlier, getting in touch, people want to work, you sell houses.
Yeah.
People want to work with people they like.
Yes, correct.
I hope you like me.
I do like you. Don't worry.
I take it. But people that buy a house from you, I guess that's why they repeat buy.
Yes.
I'm sure. Is that
correct.
That's a thing.
Yeah, like and trust. And doing what you say you're going to do. I think when you first approached me, it's kind of tax is a big thing.
I think I saw your picture on the side of the road.
Yes.
I cold called you.
Yes.
But we had seen each other.
Exactly. We've actually known each other for quite some time
over
now.
10 years.
Yeah, I think it's over 10, but we've always we've gone different ways, and then we've always just met up and then gone different ways.
Coffee shops, Tane,
exactly.
Well, the family good. Yeah, it's strong. Thanks.
Yeah. But I think when it comes to tax, the first thing is well, what's going to happen to my tax? And I think that was the first question of like, well, what happens if I have to pay in X amount, or what happens if you do it wrong and this is the case? But I think it was the total opposite of what I got. I got constant emails. I got a good claim back from tax and SARS. And then you realize like you've done what you say you're going to do. And that's probably the biggest thing with Triple T.
It's a hard thing. I'll tell you why. You are selling houses.
Yeah.
You can take that client to the house and they can feel the wood.
Yes.
The bricks, they can see the color of the bricks. You know, you can give them the shirt, they can feel the shirt.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's a lot harder. You know, and I've been so convicted. For those listening, like I'm in sales, you in sales. It's what we do. I've been doing this for a decade.
Yes.
It's so easy to promise the world and sell a brand that's just life changing.
Yes.
They have to jump in and experience it for a season.
Exactly.
We need one season. For those that are considering online, we've got 1 month till the 13th of July. And so if you are considering not being serviced by your previous guy properly, not having had financial clarity, or getting refunds that you think are not adding up, you need to contact us. I think our details would be on the...
Yeah, and also you can plug it at the end. You can look at that close-up camera there and
give it a...
and plug it.
A punt.
Yeah. So the last and final question is, what are some of the goodies I can claim back as a real estate agent?
It gets exciting.
Yeah.
The scary thing is the client never knows, because SARS are 1 minute, it's grooming, hair, nails, ladies. It can get quite exciting.
Yes.
What do you mean by perm? Well, sometimes.
Yes.
And Tane, it's an education thing.
Yeah.
So they're saying, can you send me a list of stuff that I can start being aware of for this season now?
Yeah.
So this season runs from this next season, from March now that's just passed, till next March.
Yeah.
I've got ladies, clients in the country sending me slips for next July. They're already thinking about that 90,000 that they want next July.
Yeah.
And so, good question. Like even stuff like the boards you guys put out.
Yeah.
The signage, the key cutting, like stuff like this, people aren't aware of.
Yeah.
Grooming is up a bit of a debate sometimes.
Yes.
We'll check in now if that can be claimed.
Yeah.
We do your full vehicle deduction claim for you.
That's a big one. That's something that I've benefited from, is buying vehicles, claiming back on that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so we often say to clients, I know it's quite funny, but like the depreciation on the car. Firstly, if you drive a car as an estate agent, you need to claim back as much of that as we can.
Yeah.
Most agents aren't aware.
Yeah.
I didn't know. So you mean I drive to see clients and put boards up and can I claim back kilometers? The insurance on the, you can. So, but my guys never, okay, well that's why you're coming to us to start educating.
Exactly.
You. So the insurance on the car, the branding, the maintenance, the wear and tear, the tires, the and on the car, the tracker.
Yeah.
But just the kilometers themselves, the logbook is a hassle.
Yeah.
It's a stress.
No, it's a big stress. Yeah.
Most hate it. They're stressed about it.
Yeah.
So we come alongside you to help with what info you've got to max out on the car.
Yes.
And then other expenses like, entertainment, client giftings.
Yeah.
Massive. You guys spend an incredible amount.
Yeah.
10 houses in the year, just say. For you, maybe 30. Tane's on, there's a third trophy coming in now in a few weeks' time. But 10 houses, wine, like the flowers, the gifts that you guys buy adds up.
Sure.
And so the 10 rands become hundreds very quickly.
Yes.
And the hundreds become thousands very quickly. So what we say is that slips are key.
Correct.
Slips are key. So we've developed something, Tane, you can't tell, this will be for these viewers only.
Yes.
It's a secret.
Okay.
We're going to keep it in there. We've developed with the AI
yes.
The ability for you to not have a big shoebox of slips every year.
Yes.
People stress about the slips fading.
Yes.
I hate having this Woolies packet of slips from 8 months ago.
Exactly.
Can't I send them? So yes. So we've developed something where it links with our system, and when Tane fills up at the garage today, he goes down the road to Shell. He takes a picture of that R1,000. It's probably $4,000 now fuel.
Yes.
It's gone up a bit.
Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy.
You're going to take a picture of that slip, and you're going to throw that slip in the bin, and then you're going to link it to this line that we've got that stores and grabs that slip and saves it in your folder.
Wow. Sure. So you always keep reinventing the wheel to make it easier for people.
Well, we're trying to ask the question. Brilliant. What do you agents not have in the country? What do agents not have? Time?
Yeah.
They're terrible at admin.
Yeah.
Is it?
That's true. That's true.
The funny thing is, you are brilliant. My lady said to me yesterday, said, Tane, yes, he's come back with a strong mail. He's given slips. He's got folders. He's on the ball. We're 1 month out, and Tane's given us everything I think it's because maybe, the refund's coming.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yeah. But also, I also want to be ahead, because last year I wasn't. And then you're scrambling towards that deadline. I'd rather give you everything now, so that when the opening comes, that you can just submit, and then that's it, and then it's stress-free, rather than stressing, leaving it till the last minute, and then having these backwards and forwards emails of, oh, I'm missing this, oh, I'm missing that.
And most agents wait till November.
Yeah.
We only get from July, August, September. From November onwards, you start getting admin penalties.
Yes. Correct.
250 Rand up to over $2,000 per month.
Yeah.
And so most agents are like, it's either because you guys earn so much cash and don't need the refunds, or it's just a bit of like, oh, I'll get there eventually. Yeah. So we start prepping clients now for the 13th of July. Sure. So that when that bell rings, it's D-Day and we're going.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for the insightful, obviously, talk on tax, financial wealth, investments, insurance. If you are watching online and it is something, why don't you just look at that camera now and just tell them where they can get in touch with you? And
awesome.
And we'll end it. Perfect.
So we're across all platforms, across all streams. We are taking over the LinkedIn space. We are flooding the Instagram, the Facebook market. Triple T Financial Group. Most of you, or some of you, would have known us as the tax team back in the day. All the platforms, all the socials. My email is jabin, JABIN at triple T, that's TTT-tax.coza. And we'll put a link in the below just to direct you to our website, to the socials, and literally contact, phone, mail. And we've got 1 month to go. So there's 13th of July, the doors open, and there's 30 days to go. And for most of you, it's bank statements. We need a purchase contract for the car. These are estate agents I'm talking about, and as many slips as you have. And we start where you're at. So if you're on the back foot, we go back a few years for you. We can fetch cash from 2021.
Sure.
And hunt for cash that your accountant hasn't claimed for you. So we're excited to be hopefully your preferred financial service partner, and I'm excited about 26. It's wild.
Wow.
It's all happening, so thank you.
Well, let's get it. Why don't you like, why don't you follow, why don't you subscribe, and why don't you follow them on all social media platforms? Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.